What's up, y'all? It's XIII. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be trying to debunk a couple myths about the 300cc engine on the MT03 specifically. I'm specifically referring to the top speed of this bike. A lot of people, like when I tell them that, hey, this is a 300cc bike, the first question is it fast enough? And what they typically mean by that is, can it pass people on the freeway? Can you even get up to highway speeds? I've seen the same thing in the online community as well. People are hesitant to buy a 300cc bike just because of the engine size, and they're really just worried about the top speed. And so today we're gonna do a little top speed run, put the bike in various situations that you would be in on daily riding, such as getting on the freeway, passing cars on the freeway. Can it even get up to highway speeds? And if you're in California specifically, you already know, I mean, the speed limit on the freeway is 65, but everyone is going around 80, right? So can it handle that? So stay tuned and find out. All right, guys, we're going on a private road right now, just to test out the speed of this bike. And we got traffic. I mean, so can it do freeway speeds? Absolutely. Here in California, speed limit is 65. You can get to that pretty easily. However, the flow of traffic and everything is usually around like 70 to 80. And even with that, this bike it handles just fine for the speed. No issues there. So it doesn't have enough passing power? I'd say so. Situations like this where you kind of want to thread the needle a little bit, that's where I can see the bike not having enough power sometimes. All right, thank you, guys. Pretty good. That last bit was uphill too, so and we're back at this church over here. I really hope they don't kick us out, but you know, let's hope for the best, right? All right, now that we kind of did the whole top speed thing, what do we know about this bike, right? Like, it can handle highway speeds for sure, even in California. You can get up to highway speeds, you know, at a relatively good pace. You can pass cars as easily as you want to, and it can hit 100 miles per hour at the least. We did see on that uphill stretch it was struggling, but it got there, right? So is it enough? I think if you are doing just city riding or the kind of riding that I was doing today, I think it's perfectly adequate. But if you're the type of person where you're trying to do highway pulls, that's probably not gonna cut it for you. As you could already see, it was struggling just to get to 100, even on that uphill. If you had a bigger CC bike, of course it'd be a lot easier. And if doing highway pulls is your thing, by all means, this might be a good stepping stone, just to kind of learn how to ride. But you definitely want to move up to the higher CC bikes. Just for your average rider though, I think this bike is perfectly adequate. I think the top speed is enough. The 300cc is fast enough. And if you're just trying to do like city riding or you're just trying to commute, I think it's great. I guess the real question is, what kind of rider are you? What do you want to use your bike for? Ask yourself that question first, and depending on what that answer is, then you kind of have your answer of whether this bike is fast enough for you or not, right? Well, there you have it. That's the 2020 Yamaha MT03. A little bit about the top speed. Is it fast enough? If you guys liked the video, drop a like down below. Comment down below if you have any questions about this bike. And if you're thinking about purchasing one, let me know down below. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. See y'all in the next one. Peace. Well, if you stuck around till the end, here's a little mini pull for you.